Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix iMessage activation error and error occur during activation. Try again. So guys, if you are also facing this problem and you are unable to use iMessages on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So for that, simply go back to your home screen and open Settings app in your device, and from here you have to scroll it below and tap on General, and from here tap on Software Update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device, and if there is any update available, simply update it. And after this, scroll it below and from here tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct, and if the set automatically toggle is off, you have to simply turn it on. So I turn on the set automatically toggle in your device, and after this go back and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and from here you have to reset your network settings in your device as well. So I do this, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then you have to force restart your device. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, force restart the device and check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then you have to open settings again in your device, and from here scroll it below and find iMessages in your device. So I simply tap on messages from here, and from here you have to turn on iMessages if it is off. So I turn it on, and after this scroll it below and turn on the toggle for these as well. So I turn on these toggles, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.